Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to add a shop page to your Wix site. First, open the Wix editor homepage and then click add page here. Here you can see add and click on this page. After that, go to shop here on the top left, middle of the left, and choose a template you want. Suppose I am just choosing this one. I've added here, and you can see it's been added to your site. Wix now will add the store feature and page to your site automatically. This usually takes just few seconds. Once it's ready, you will see the new shop page added to your menu. Click manage store here to update products, pricing, and images. You can change if you want by clicking on this manage button. That's how easy it is to add a store page in Wix. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out our more quick Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.